What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my crypto journey. My name is Rodney, and Saitama fell below a key level of support. Now, obviously, this thing has been tumbling since around the 3rd or 4th, since the new SAITAMAsk was going to be released. We had a fat pump over a day and a half or so, and then we've been tumbling down ever since. Now, the key level support was around the high 3s, about 38 to 41, right, for a couple of days, right, and it broke below that, which is obviously not good, right, in the short term. Obviously not good in the short term. Now, if you follow the channel, we were actually, and if you follow the live streams, a lot of people were actually able to buy down here in this area because we had a huge accumulation of what, maybe 2 weeks or so, a week and a half or something like that. And it's good when you see these long areas and long stretches of accumulation, because that usually means we're getting ready to do something, right? We're getting ready to go crazy, right? And we saw a crazy liftoff, and a lot of us were able to take profits in this area because we saw some resistance, right? In the 8th and 7th area. Obviously, we didn't get to take profits up here, which, I mean, it's almost like impossible to call a top. All this shit's bro science anyways, right? But I mean, there are some markers we can like look at, right? And then ever since then, it's been tumbling down. So I'm grateful I was able to take some profits there, but I was expecting more of a pump sometime in this area. But you never know, so that's why I took profits there. Now, when was the last time we were at this level? We have to go back to like, what? Pretty much mid-December, right? So what was the level support here? Well, we can see we have some support right around the 3.2 level at the lows, right? It dipped down, but it looks like we touched close to 3 times right here, right? So 32 range. So now what? So now we see how long this tumble is going to last, or if it's even going to last that long, right? Maybe we'll pump back up to the top. We'll see, right? You know, when it comes to the PR, I think it's been kind of a shitstorm. It's been kind of a nightmare personally for Saitama. But you have to think about, is it the market or is it Saitama? Well, you could say it's the market if you are pro Saitama, or you could say it's Saitama if you feel like Saitama's just fucking up. I think it's a little bit of both, right? Now, if you look at all these other meme coins, right, you could say meme coins, they all seem to be doing okay, some of them, right? And then the market overall seems to be, let's see, I think today was up a little bit, so it's kind of trading sideways. So Saitama's obviously experiencing some sort of downtrend of its own today, right? So only 12% today, which isn't a ton, but it's been tumbling the last few days. So we're gonna have to see what happens when we get to that 32 range, because that's the next level of support. So we're gonna have to see, right? So before that, when was the last time we were down this low? We haven't been down this low since pre-Vegas, right? Yeah. So this would be new territory since this huge parabolic run we had in November. So anything below the 30s is new territory, you know, at least for now. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. I'm not sure when a good time to buy would be, because I'd like to see some sort of consolidation. Of course, any news could send this thing to the moon, but I think the only news we're really waiting for is the news that the app fully works for everybody, right? Because I still can't use it. I would like to use it, and that you can actually swap. Maybe the next good catalyst, the next big catalyst, because I think this thing's going to pump independently of the market, in my opinion. I think if the market sees a bull run, I don't think Saitama is going to be doing the same thing unless we have a good working product. I think one catalyst could be all the apps are working and it's confirmed, and then being able to swap on the actual app. That could be a nice catalyst. But let me know what you think in the comments down below. What level are you looking to buy more Saitama? I'm looking for more of the 32 range. If it starts consolidating right there, I think that'd be a good time to pick up some Saitama. Now, I haven't purchased Saitama in quite a while, but I think I'm gonna start swing trading a little more. I'm usually not too big into that. I mean, I get into it a little bit, right? But, you know, I'm not really too big into that, but I think it's probably a better route for me to go just to make some extra money. I mean, we stare at the charts all day, every day anyway, so why not swing trade a little more? And Saitama is kind of like a swing trader's delight. So let me know what you think in the comments down below, and I'll talk to you soon. Peace.